Hey, what's up? It's Filip from Easy Tutorials. Today I'll show you how to create barcodes in Microsoft Excel. Before we can start creating barcodes, we need to install a barcode font. There are many free barcode fonts available online, but for this tutorial we'll be using this font. To install the font, simply copy-paste the font name from the description of this video and paste it to the Google search. And now download it from the first result. To install it, open the file and drag the font outside to your desktop, and double-click it and hit install. Next, let's enter the data that we want to encode in the barcode. For example, let's say we want to encode the text 1234569 into a barcode. We'll enter this text in cell A1, and now that we have the data we want to encode, we need to format the cell to use the barcode font. To do this, select the cell where you entered the data, A1 in our example, and change the font to our downloaded font. This will convert the text into a barcode. Finally, we can print the barcode. To do this, simply go File and select Print. That's it. Now you know how to create barcodes in Microsoft Excel using a free barcode font. This can be a useful skill for many purposes such as inventory management and asset tracking. Thanks for watching.